Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. The new name of my YouTube channel is now Rob Savarie Driving Instructions, Sudbury, Ontario. It used to be Nickel City Driving Edutainment, but apparently someone here started a new driving school using my former YouTube channel name, Nickel City Driving. So, anyway, this morning, Shubahm from India is going for his 1 hour practice before going for his G2 exit road test. And so I'm just on my way to pick him up now.
We're going to reverse park the vehicle in the space on this side of the white car. Reposition your vehicle, that's okay. They allow you to reposition your vehicle once.
As you're driving, leave at least 3 feet or about a meter between the side of your vehicle. As you're driving, the front of the parking spots on the side you're going to park between the side of your vehicle. As you're driving, and the front of the parking spots on the side you're going to side of your vehicle, and the front of the parking spots on the side you're going to park in. As you're driving, leave at least 3 feet or about a meter between the side of your vehicle. Slow down to the parking spots on the side you're going to park in. Slow down and move back in. As you're driving on either side, those sides of your vehicle on either side, in front of the parking spots on the side you're going to park. The cones are good to have you practice on that side of me. The cones are good to have to practice with. But you don't have to buy cones. But you don't have to buy cones. But you don't have to buy cones. You can just get some cardboard boxes and set those on the ground so you'll know where the edges of the parking spot are.
Not likely that they're going to get you to reverse park when you finish your road test, because they're not testing you on that. They're just testing you on like the highway driving, your speed management out there, basically driving in the traffic and all that. So when you get back, it's more than likely they'll get you to do the forward parking instead of driving in forward. So a lot easier to do that. Okay, so let's take a trial run here. And at the roadway, we're going to make a right turn. And at the traffic light, we're going to turn left. Apply your left signal, complete stop here. Make sure you stop, the light's yellow, and you had plenty of time to stop before the line here. Had you continued on the yellow light, that would have been an automatic fail. You understand?
Yeah. So I was thinking like the point of no return. So
You were still behind. You were still able to stop safely behind the line, right? That's when I used my brake. I was able to stop before the line when the light was yellow. Your foot was still on the gas, so that's why I needed to stop you. This light here. If you look over there down the sidewalk, you have that gray pole with the gray boxes, the lenses. That's a camera. Had you gone through, you would have got a ticket, $325. Well, I would have got the ticket. My boss would have got the ticket. He'd be like, "What are you doing?" It's a red light camera. Just keep that in mind for your road test. When the light's yellow, make sure you use it without getting rear-ended, of course.